Welcome to our tutorial on how to change your IP address on Windows 11. Whether you're troubleshooting network issues or enhancing your privacy, knowing how to change your IP address can be valuable. First, let's begin by accessing the network settings. Click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen and navigate to Windows Settings. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet. Now on the left sidebar, choose Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on your connection type, and get in. Click on your network connection. Scroll down and find IP assignment. Click on Edit button. Now option pop-up will appear. Simply select Manual, and now choose any of it from IPv4 and IPv6. And now you can enter the new IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server addresses provided by your network administrator or ISP. Once you've entered the desired IP information, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully changed your IP address on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.